The last 2 years have been unprecedented and challenging in all facets and industries, particularly for those managing fleets. With the escalating cost of maintenance and rising supply shortages, it has been more difficult than ever to run and maintain an efficient fleet. These are some inefficient activities that are the major reason for disruption. Manually tracking things that can be tracked automatically. Poor communication between management and driver. Putting effort into manually producing reports. Failure to perform routine fleet maintenance results in equipment downtime. Current market factors, such as rising fuel costs, parts and asset shortages, inflation, and price volatility, are outside the control of any fleet operation. But what if there was a tool to take back control? Thanks to the progressive and innovative development of technology in the transportation industry, now there is a simple and affordable solution to solve these challenges. Preventive maintenance is the strategy that takes your vehicle to maintenance based on the time or mileage passed. Whether managing high costs, data overload, parts supply chain issues, or driver communication, fleet management software has the insights and resources to get ahead of market conditions and even the competition. Fleet maintenance solution leverages real-time and customized telematics data to identify vehicle or truck failures before they occur. When it comes down to transportation, time is money. You want to ensure that you and your drivers maximize the overall fleet efficiency. All the while, you are actually maintaining your current workflow and other integrations with just one platform. Incorporating predictive fleet analytics, reduce downtime and unexpected breakdowns, provide operational efficiency, eases driver accountability. Accessing and comprehending the breadth of telemetry data for managers to make informed business decisions is the future for fleet professionals. Let's unlock predictive analytics smartly with QuickRides. QuickRides is a fleet maintenance platform that enables fleets to simplify their maintenance strategy by leveraging the plethora of data available from their vehicles. The easy-to-use software predicts and communicates potential failures, assisting customers in decreasing downtime and expenses. Make your job easier with QuickRides today.